Hello everyone, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm doing a giveaway of this V-Look art diamond painting. It is of the Santa. I did a video, I'll link that video down below of unboxing it, but I'll show you real quick what it is. It's a giant one, by the way. And you get everything in the kit, the drills, the tools, all the goodies that comes with it. So this is the diamond painting. There's like a church in the background, Santa with a bunch of Christmas presents, and it measures, let's see, the design itself measures 19.7 by 27.6, so you get that. And unfortunately, this is only U.S. Because of the shipping cost on this. And here are all the drills. Lots of colors. Oh, let's see. I can tell you how many colors. 45 colors. And then I did open the toolkit because I had to do an unboxing. So, but everything's inside the little baggie that has two two trays, a fancy pen that you twist to get the wax. Excuse me. You twist this top, and the wax comes out of here, and it comes with extra wax in here. It comes with extra baggies if you need to rebag your diamonds. I dropped it. There we go. It comes with a little booklet. And the booklet, gives you all the instructions on how to do the diamond painting. So, what you need to do to be entered to win this beautiful diamond painting is type the word treasures in a comment below. So you need to incorporate the word treasures in a comment. And I am closing this. How do you call it? I gotta put this back in here. I'm closing this giveaway on March 7th at midnight. So if you want to be, I'm trying to put this back in here. There you go. So if you're interested in acquiring this beautiful diamond painting in this beautiful box, what I'm going to do is to save on shipping. I'm going to ship it inside this box itself. It is sturdy, so it will not get damaged. So again, type the word treasures in a sentence down below, and I'll pick a winner on March 8th. So keep a lookout on my community post on March 8th to where I announce the winners, and the winner will have 24 hours to reach out to me via email at littletreasuresbynancy1@gmail.com. So until next time, be brave, be strong, and create with some new supplies. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.